Travel Likes Me is committed to organization and exceptional design. Introducing our unique travel organizers, the Packaging Bucket Cubes. These organizers are crafted from premium 100D ripstop nylon with a non-PVC and DWR finish and waterproof PU coating, ensuring durability and protection. These comes with two-way 3F waterproof zippers for easy access and protection against moisture. Quick-release compression straps on both ends to minimize extra space once clothes are rolled in. An extra long main zipper allows for easy packing and full visibility of contents. Top handles made with premium Hypalon for convenient grab-and-go carrying, whether open or closed. The bucket-shaped design enables the cubes to sit upright, perfect for organizing and stowing everything from gear and equipment to clothing and shoes. Load these bucket-style cubes to the top, zip, and cinch the ends for fast and efficient compression. Experience organized, stress-free travel with the Packaging Bucket Cubes, designed to simplify your packing and maximize efficiency.